So this video will continue on this chapter 6 work with Excel by Python, and we move to 6.7 configure style or set style in Excel. So there's numbers of the sub contents. We will talk about the font style, height or column, height for a row, column for width, and alignment, border, fill, or gradient. So for those part, if we map to our Excel, so normally it's on the font alignment, and here is the style. Font is, you can see, we can set the color, this bold or italic or underline with the font size, font type. Alignment is for this vertical alignment, horizontal alignment, and also you can set this font the direction, and also put that increase and decrease indent. And the style, you have some formatted or conditional format, and also here you can see the fill. So if you made our font the cell fill, you can set the more color here. But we need to discuss is what are the these gradient that can be set in the cell. So those are almost in the home tab or home this ribbon. So let's work on from our Python. So let me create a folder first. So 6-7 Excel style, and we're starting from the font. So let's create our file. Font style.py. Set font style. The prerequisite is you must have a font first. So we will instance one font object. So font object is under the styles, the sub module. So first we load our OpenPY Excel. Make this workbook. And the same is we initial our workbook with our standard 3 lines. You may see this very many times already. So from here we have our these 3 lines, and then we cd and cd 6-7. So now we set our working directory in our 6.7. So when we save our file, this file will be created in the current folder. So save 671.xlx. So let's just verify. So we have this empty, and with this sheet worksheet created. So that's our base. So and then we will load our font object from OpenPyXL.styles. We will import font. Here where this F is a capital F. Then we have a font, and we also need to instance font. So font instance is from the font. So actually it can be the empty. And if I do this worksheet with our B2 equal to B2. This gave a value, and WS B2 font equal to font. So if we keep this blank, let's have a look. So there's nothing change. So we gave this B2. So you can see here is we only show the B2. So but this, if we open this from our, let's see, so our part is here 6.7. Let's create that in open in the Excel. So in Excel is just empty. You can see all, and we just set our B2 value as B2. But in this preview, it doesn't show the other part. They only show B2 as the maximum column and rows. That is makes sense. But instead of this B2, so let's create this, maybe we see hello world. So let me run this and to see here, close, and yeah, hello world. So we have this, but without any font style. So let's now give our font. Is let's set is 微软雅黑. So maybe I may put Chinese. Let me see whether we have this part, and you can see now these are 微软雅黑 style. And then let's use comma starting to make a different font. So let's make that bigger. So 45. Let's run. So we can test this one by one. So now you get this big, and you can make this the height is auto aligned. So auto fit actually. So let's give a color. Color is 0000 FF. So this is RGB. So that is the blue. So let's test. From here, you didn't see this style. I think that's kind of the limitation of the plugin. So now you can see is, but we don't set the width of the cell, so it's just extended, but it actually is on B2. So this is the correct display actually. And then let's continue to make the following. So bold equal to true, that's a boolean, and italic equal to true, and that's now italic, and strike is the line in the middle. So let's make that also true. Underline. Oh. True. Yeah, let's make those true. So, or maybe it's it's not true. Underline. We put this double accounting. Okay, that's I think is enough complex. From here again, we cannot see this. So this plugin is also not so strong. So let's see the real part. Oh, it's not having this. Did I save? I think it's saved enough. Let me run this. Oh, double accounting. It's a single accounting, double single, double accounting, ACC. So looks like it's these are not correct. Let's see, just the double underline. Double is not defined. So underline is strange. So let's skip this to see the rest of that. Okay, correct. So first, let's see here. So you can see the style can on this plugin only show the font size. Let's see what's happened here. Okay, bold, italic, and with a strike, but the double line, the underline is not shown. So maybe let me see, is underline equal to true? Let me see. Oh, so this underline is not correct. So let me see. Go to the definition. Let me see whether we have the definition. No declare, no definition. Oh, we don't have those. So let me double check. So if I put here, open Excel styles font underline. Let me see. Underline double equal to double, underline single. So it's like those syntax. Let me see. Let's run. Font. Initial keywords underline is not like this. Strike, italic, underline. Highlights can be used. Okay. Okay, perfect. So we need to have this single quote to make that. Let me see. Yeah, great. It's a double line with this accounting. So we need to extend this, make it width is good enough. So width and height, whether it's auto fit, will be mentioned in the next sample. So now at least we know the syntax. So let me close that. This also tell you the way. If you see any errors, just check. You can surf from Google to check about the syntax, and then use that to make your the code. So here underline, you need to give a string. Bold, italic, strike is the boolean. Color is this RGB, the number in 16 this type. And the size is our integer. Name is just our name of those font. So these are the 671. And as well here, you can have a lot of the font, the styles that you can set. What I will put is I put this here. So then if you come to the our mind map, you can also go to this this page, but you can save, you can search from yourself issues. And let's go to the second one. So 672 is the height and the width. So as we mentioned in the mind map, is there's two property. One is a row underscore dimension, and is column underscore dimension. So width and height are the dimension of the row or column. So we will use that to set this. So first, let's copy our three, the famous, the the sentence or code here. So you will always use this to initial the file, and then the last is also used, but here we just change this to 672. And then we have our workbook and worksheet, active worksheet. What we need to do is just put that dimension for row with we put is a second row, and we put is height, just to make that looks very big. Is let me put bigger, and WS column dimensions with let me put the C to for column will be the width. Also put 40, so you may look at here column. I have the typo, so but now I change that and create a new file, and this not see here because this preview doesn't show the empty tables without value. So, but you can open from normal Excel, so you can see this is our height row, and this row, second row, and the third column. So we have adjusted this, and now this looks is 40. So let's have some format. So how I can measure that? So let me set format new pick. Page. Cell style. No, I cannot make these columns. I remember is there's a part is we can put the height and width. Is this one scale? So no, that's is for the page, not for the row. Suppose it's here, so they should have oh, now this one is already column width. So you can see here column width through the right click on the header of the column, then it's 39.29. So that we set is 40, and the height, row height, 40. So why is have a little difference? Let me see. So we adjust this. So this 40 and this 40 are different the look and feel. So let's change that to 50, both. So height to the our value not the same to the width value. But let's have a look again. Now it's a little bigger, so right click here, get this row height. Row height 50. So let's click this question. So row hidden, so maximum is 255, and row is 409, and default column is 843, and this is 15. I think the unit is different because your looks is like a rectangle, so not like the same the unit. But here is 50, and let's see it here. These are little the variation, or deviation. So now it's 49.29, but it's also changed accordingly. So you can set this in our integer, but you need to be cautious is when they convert to the real Excel, it's not exact as the 50 in the column, but in the row is exactly the accurate. So you can use this traverse to change whole documents, this height or width. Just use also similar like the loop. So you can change that. Use this as a dimension. This index as the variable, and do this traverse. Then you can change more columns. So let's go to the alignment. So 6, 7, 3 alignment. So first we have our three lines here, and we will create our file here. So now we will create our 673. And after this, we also need to load, like font, we need to load our object called alignment, also within styles. So with this alignment, then we can make this alignment with a different property. But first we have our row height. So we have our this 2 lines here. So we keep using the 50. So that's no problem. And we put this B. So make that not so different. So let's try to create first. So this is oh yeah, we cannot see from here, so let me open this. Sorry. Oh, so it's not changed. So these 2 ways, that's to, let me run this, then come to here. Yeah, this that's double conform is a 50. So we got our empty cell with our this column width and rows height. Now we gave our the value using this directly assign A1 equal to hello, and WS B2 equal to word. So we have this, and what we will make is we only can do this to cell level. So W as B2 dot alignment. So consider here. So font is not you set this font style. Then you also use this dot font. Now you use the dot alignment is equal to alignment. So this is the same. So what? Let's run this first. Then we will get 2 words, and the word is here. So what we will do is now we will start to set alignment. So alignment is just the different property. So horizontal now is by default is left, vertical is bottom. So let's see, I want center. So those are the string. So vertical. Let's also use center, not top. And then text rotation. So it's 0 means no rotation. Let's rotate us to 45 degrees. So that's the integer. So 45. Let's run this now first. So we should get that changed in the middle and rotate. So that's perfect. So middle horizontal, middle vertical, then make our 45-degree the rotate, and then wrap text is equal to true. Let me see. So what's the true means is then I need this should be the long to more than 50. So let's run this. Then we see the wrap. So you can see here. So if I don't make that align, so here is 0, and let's make this just 10. Then we will see this will be wrap. So let me see. So you can see it's a turn, but does not make quite same. So let me see. I go to this 30. So I want to see they have several lines repeat, then go to the next line. So that is the wrap text. And if I put this wrap as the false, then it's just to be extend. And then the indent, let's put this indent is equal to 0. So that's no indent. Let's run this before we have this shrink. So I see here then that we are not wrap. It should be over this one. And now we will add this shrink. Shrink is make that smaller. So shrink to fit is let's put that true. Then let's run this. I see. You can see here, they just want to fit all of your words inside this cell, but since your site is not wrap text, so it's make this font size smaller. So those are the alignment, these settings. And let's stop here, and you can also use many these properties here. And the next video we will talk about this border and the fill and also the gradient for the styles. See you then. Bye.